Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We are back again at it. Paldean, Shrouded Fable, Scarlet&Violet base set. Beautiful hits in these. A little bit budget friendly, but I did bring you some Paldean. Those are getting up in kind of in price. Some people told me they don't know which one is worse. It doesn't matter to me. They're always nice to open to me. Shrouded Fable or Scarlet&Violet. Might do a battle between them separately one day. Not for sure, but right now we're gonna get into them. 3 packs of each, 9 packs. See what hits we get out of these. See which ones has the best ones. Still going to have some beautiful cards in these sets, but we're gonna start it off. But if you haven't already, let me tell you what to do. Please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed already. Hit that like button, leave a comment down below with your notification bells on, so you'll be the first to see these kind of pack openings. Not necessarily a battle. Take it however you want to do it. Don't mind me at all. I'm just here to rip packs and enjoy. Alright. See what we can get out of these. Would love to see some of those SRRs and beautiful illustration rares. Which one's gonna give us our first hit? Alright. There's a dippity on that pack right here. Get that open. There you go. To the front here. That's right. Yeah. Where's the full Snuzzler? Malamar. Yes. And see the art. Fezzitivity on the pack art, and the illustration art is a Fezzitivity. Very nice there. I pulled this card a few times already. Very nice card though. Definitely not mad at that. There we go. All day evolve. Nice one. Alright, I told you. I'm gonna pull them illustration rares. Alright. This pack feels good. Let's see that magic card. IR. Things. Swallow into the reverse, to the hollow. Alright, there, bomb. Alright, then Scarlet&Violet. Might not be the most desirable set, but I can tell you as a collector, investor, opener, ripper, however you want to say, very good to open up fire energy. This is fire. But I was going to say, very nice to save and invest in some Scarlet&Violet base. Have some beautiful cards, no matter the easy or whatever else. That, the city plans. You know, somebody asked me what is some good sets to do. Definitely these sets. Scarlet&Violet base set will be one of the ones that definitely is gonna be wanted later on with the cards it has, and it has beautiful card arts in it also. It does possess the God of War evolutions going up the family, and the Miriam with the books. That is my actual personal chase card there, trainer card. Nice stretcher. Into, alright. Let's get at least 3 more hits. How about that? See if we can make that happen here. Alright, racing energy. Wasteland. To this a hollow. Alright. Last pack of Scarlet&Violet. There you go. Last code card from the base set. Alright, Friday Energy. Door. Full scan. Into it. So, going about. Didn't give anything out. That's alright. Let's get into our last package. Shrouded Fable. Come on, Castamia. Come on, Penny. Where are you at? Alright. There you go. Alright. Eevee. Persian. Hypno. Genesect. Reverse. Going into a hollow. Alright. We got one hit it all up to Paldean to match the Shrouded Fable. See if we can get anything here. You're not promised to hit in any of this. Energy. Pikachu. To the reverse, to just a hollow. Side of those packs, we only got one hit, but it was a pretty good one, I would say. Fezzidipity, illustration rare. Leave a comment down below what you think about this card. Hit that like, make sure you subscribe with your notification bells on, and as always, peace. Daily Fan.